Hello, my name is Lily and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve this sleek low bun without using brushes, gel or comb. So if you want to see that, keep watching. So of course I use just water and shea butter to achieve this hairstyle. You can use any moisturizer of choice, but this is what I choose to use. I'm starting on old dry hair. I actually just took down my temporary locks I think a few hours or like a day before doing this. So what I do is I take out a section of hair, get it wet, like you want to get it soaking wet, because it's easier to slick down fussy hair when it's way down and wet. So that's exactly what I'm doing here. So I get it soaking wet and then I go ahead and apply some shea butter on it. So like I said before, you can use any moisturizer of choice, but I choose to use shea butter because my hair loves shea butter. Then I'm just working that in. You want to be heavy-handed when you're doing this because like I said earlier, you want your hair to be weighed down. So that's what exactly what am I saying? That's exactly what I'm doing. I'm just like working the shea butter in. Yeah, if I was going to wear my hair out like for another hairstyle, I would have not applied this much shea butter. I'm applying this much because I want it to slick down in the bun. So I'm just working that in until I feel like it's worked in enough. Then I go ahead and spray some more water on that section. I find that spraying water after applying the shea butter helps to keep my hair moisturized longer, and also helps it to be really juicy. That's what I'm doing this. If you are using a regular moisturizer, you might not do this. So when I'm done doing all of that, I just go ahead and put my hair in braids, put that section in braids to get it out of the way. So I repeat the same thing until I'm done braiding my entire head. Now I'm just showing you guys like how gentle I am while I'm applying all the products and everything. It's very important to be gentle to your hair because if you want your hair to grow, you need to be careful and you need to be really gentle. And like I always say, that's how I've been able to get away with manipulating my hair so often, because I'm always extra gentle whenever I'm handling my hair. So you can see how gentle I am. This is not in slow motion, like this is real time. I'm not saying you should be this slow when you're doing your hair, but like this is just to give you an idea of how gentle I am, and I'm just encouraging you to be a little bit more gentle when you're handling your hair if you want your hair to grow. So I got really lazy when I got to the front and decided to just do big flat twists. Then I braided the ends. So that kind of affected my results a little bit. So that's what I did. I did flat twists in front and braids at the back. So I let the braids dry overnight. So this is the next day and I just went ahead to unravel the braids. My hair is not completely dry, and that's the point. Like the intention was not to make my hair completely dry, but just dry enough so that it's not too wet and my scalp doesn't become itchy, because I find out that my scalp is usually itchy when I leave my hair wet and like do buns with it. So now I'm just parting my hair, like making the parts that I want to use for the bun. I'm using a rat tail comb because I want it to be sleek and neat, to be as neat as I possibly can make it. So that's exactly what I'm doing here, and I'm being really gentle. So when I'm done making the parts, I just go ahead and put the hair in a bun. I do it little by little, so I just take out like a section at the back, put it in a loose like puff or like bun there, something like that, and then I gradually start to take sections little by little and add it to the bun. I do not use a comb or a brush for this because I use my fingers for almost everything, so that's exactly what I'm doing here. So I find that using my fingers for this helps to give it a little bit more texture, because if you're using a comb or a brush, you're like brushing out your texture out of it, so it's going to be like somewhat straight, and that's not the look I'm going for. So that's why I'm not using a comb or a brush for this. I also find that using my fingers is a lot more gentle, so when I'm doing low buns and stuff like that, I do not encounter any form of like tension or breakage or anything like that because I use my fingers and I do not use brush for doing that. So Yeah, in case you want to try it, you can try that. I feel I highly recommend using your fingers as much as you can. So when I'm doing the final bun, I'm making it tight, like it's no longer a loose puff. And then for the bun, I make a ponytail. Then the second time, instead of pulling my hair through it all through, I just like well, I don't know how to explain that, but you guys get the gist. So after that, I just go ahead and smooth the hair with my hands so that it doesn't look like poofy on top, and it doesn't look like there's one layer under and one layer on top. Then the next thing I do is take some edge control. I'm using the ORS edge control, and I just apply just a little bit on the edge, like the the edges of my hair. Yeah, the edges of my hair, just a little bit. I'm not applying all over, just the parts that is showing. And then I go ahead and apply some of the gel also on the perimeter of the parts that I did, just to give it like a smooth, clean finish. After that, I go ahead and spray my hair with some water. This step is very important. If you want to give your hair like texture, you want to have like that textured look to it, then this is very important. So yeah, I'm just spraying the water all over my hair and like just patting it and smoothing the hair as I go. So this time around, I'm spraying the water on the bun also, so it's not just the body of the hair. Then I go ahead and tie it down with a satin scarf, and I leave this on for about 30 minutes to set and to dry. You can leave it longer. I actually recommend that you leave it longer. If you leave it longer, it's going to set even better. But I don't have that time. So I left it for just 30 minutes, and this is the result. You can see how it looks. It's textured, but at the same time it's sleek, and you can how neat it is, even without using brush, without using gel, without using comb, just my fingers. Like this is cute. So yeah, this is what I do most of the time whenever I do buns. And with that, we've come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give the thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.